Here's Pampers Club app. So it's now called Pampers Rewards. So let's try to create an account, login, and show you what all around. So here is the app. You can try to create your account from here with Apple, Facebook, or email. You can use Face ID. So here, this is how the onboarding looks like. And so again, this app was called Pampers Club. Now it's Pampers Rewards. It has some really nice deals in here. So as you can see, there are all these rewards. You can basically scan your diapers, as I understand. So download the app, scan or input codes from inside your Pampers diaper packs to earn Pampers cash. Most boxes have 2 scans, and then you can use this cash to get rewards and discounts on future Pampers diapers and wipes. So that's the idea. And then you can use these rewards, as you can see. You can buy additional items, Amazon gift card, Walmart gift card, to buy it. So this way you kind of saving. You just kind of get an additional cash back completely free. And then there is, you can see the idea, and then you can see in here how it looks like. So there are some nice deals and discounts sent to your inbox. 10 diaper scans, $10 in Pampers cash. So it's pretty good deal. So one box has 2 scans usually. So 5 boxes, $10 additionally. And then you see your balance here in the app, and then you can buy additional items right from the app. And there are a lot of deals in here. So you can see a history. And then you can also invite friends from here. So there is like invite friend, up to 5 friends who register with your referral code and will unlock $2 friend bonus. So here is your referral code, which you can then just use. So feel free to share this. So here is the idea, how you can use it. And yep, so that's basically the idea in here, how it works. So something like that. So there you have it. And yeah, so something around it. So now you have it. And yeah, so that's how it works.